Good afternoon and welcome to another F30 BMW 3 Series video. This 2013 BMW F30, and in this video we're going to be looking at the playing the steering. So if you remember the part 7, you had this sound whenever I rock the steering wheel, and it sounds to be coming from that side, so jack it up, get the wheel off and we'll investigate a bit further. I've had to put the wheel back on, so what I've done is rock the wheel from side to side. So I rock the wheel, and you can hear that, that's what it is. And I did manage to get a look, and it's definitely not the track rod end, that's alright, but it's definitely coming from the inner track rod. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to replace that. Now it just so happens that I bought a new one, a new inner track rod, so we'll get that replaced, but I need to get this engine cover off, which is going to be fun and games. My axle stand's resting on that, so I'll get all this out of the way and then I'll come back to you. So I'm not only had to move this under tray, I had to take some plastics away from here that were surrounding the rack. So what I need to do, it's just held on by a couple of cable ties, snip them, pop them off, then unscrew the track rod. I'll need to undo this track rod end as well. And the fastening for the track rod end, you got a choice of Torx, or I'm not sure what it is, I'll guess it's a 14mm. I'll need to undo this track rod end as well, that'll need doing, so don't think I've got the right tools for that to hand, so I'll get all this off, then we can start swapping things over.
2 hours later.
I've had to admit defeat on this one, it's got me beat. I couldn't get that track rod end off, it just wasn't coming off at all. I managed to get the track rod end off at the rack end, but it was just fighting me. You know, tried penetrating fluid, tried heat, tried mold grips, it just won't budging. And I'm not sure where this video is going to go. I might just leave it until it goes through testing and see, take it from there. I mean, worst case, I can always return the part, but cross that bridge when we get to it.